Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Renew Recycled Microfiber Cloths are probably one of the most versatile and eco-friendly cleaning tools you can add to your arsenal, offering exceptional performance without compromising the planet, making them a smart choice for conscious consumers looking to maintain a sparkling home while reducing their environmental footprint. Number 5. MR.SIGA Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, 12-pack. Discover the ultimate cleaning solution with our premium microfiber cloths. Designed for superior performance, they make every surface shine. These cloths are engineered to trap dirt and grime effectively. Experience a streak-free clean on all your household surfaces. Crafted from high-quality microfiber, they are incredibly soft to the touch. Their excellent absorbency tackles spills and messes with ease. Each cloth measures 12.6 x 12.6, providing ample coverage for any task. This pack includes 12 cloths, offering great value for your cleaning needs. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, cars, and more. Use them on glass, countertops, stainless steel, and delicate surfaces without worry. These cloths are built to last, wash after wash. Enjoy a sustainable and effective cleaning companion for your home. What we like? This option comes in a large pack, offering great value for money. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand frequent use and washing. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution for everyday cleaning tasks and want plenty of cloths on hand, this is a solid choice. What people say? These cloths are very absorbent and durable. They are great for cleaning surfaces without scratching. The microfiber material effectively picks up dust and dirt. Number 4. SNT Incorporated Microfiber Cleaning Cloth 12-pack. Introducing the SNT Incorporated Microfiber Cleaning Cloths, a versatile cleaning solution for your home. This pack contains 12 cloths, each measuring 11.5 by 11.5 inches. These ultra-soft, lint-free cloths are perfect for cleaning any surface. From wood and mirrors to glass and tile, they leave surfaces spotless. Add these to your household cleaning supplies for various uses. They are ideal as reusable kitchen towels, screen cloths, or even for dusting mops. These small cleaning cloths are machine washable and durable. They offer a great alternative to disposable paper towels for everyday cleaning needs. Highly absorbent, they can be used dry or with your favorite cleaning solutions. They effectively clean, soak up spills, and are even great for cleaning pet paws. What we like? These cloths are incredibly soft and leave no lint behind, making them perfect for delicate surfaces. They are also machine washable and durable, offering a sustainable alternative to paper towels. If you need a reliable cloth for various household cleaning needs, from kitchen counters to car interiors, this is a great pick. What people say? These cloths are very absorbent and durable, holding up well after multiple washes. The microfiber material effectively picks up dust and dirt without scratching surfaces. They are a good size for various cleaning tasks around the house. Number 3. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, 12-pack. Introducing the MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. This pack includes 12 cloths in various shades of gray and blue, designed for quick, effective, and stylish cleaning of your household items. Experience superior cleaning with these soft and highly absorbent cloths. Made from thick microfiber, they effortlessly remove dust, oil, smudges, and fingerprints without leaving any scratches or lint. These cloths are built to last with high-quality stitching and reinforced edges. They are lightweight, quick-drying, and can be washed and reused over 500 times, making them perfect for everyday use. You can safely use these cloths on any delicate surface. Their convenient 13x11 size makes them ideal for cleaning electronics, windows, mirrors, cars, eyeglasses, and much more. Engineered for optimal cleaning, these cloths feature no loose threads or coarse edges. They are soft, durable, and effective, ensuring your delicate screens and lenses are protected and kept like new. What we like? Engineered for superior cleaning, these cloths are thick, absorbent, and designed to be streak-free. They are also incredibly long-lasting, capable of being reused over 500 times. If you prioritize a high-quality clean on delicate items like screens and lenses, and want a product that lasts, this is the one to consider. What people say? These cloths are very absorbent and durable. They are great for cleaning windows and mirrors without leaving streaks. The microfiber material is soft and gentle on surfaces. Number 2. S&T Incorporated 50-pack microfiber cleaning cloths. Introducing a 50-pack of high-quality microfiber cleaning cloths, perfect for all your household needs. These versatile cloths are designed for effective cleaning around your home. Experience ultra-soft, lint-free cleaning that's safe for all surfaces. They are ideal for wood, glass, mirrors, tile, and more, leaving surfaces spotless. Incorporate these into your cleaning routine for kitchens, bathrooms, or even as a TV screen cleaner. They are a great replacement for disposable dusting cloths. Keep your car sparkling with these small, durable cloths. They are an excellent addition to your car cleaning kit, offering a reusable alternative to paper towels. These cleaning towels are super absorbent, perfect for tackling spills and messes. Use them dry or with your favorite cleaning spray for a thorough clean. Each pack comes with a sturdy storage box, ensuring your cloths are always within reach. Store them easily after use, ready for the next cleaning task. What we like. This bulk pack offers an exceptional quantity of cloths, perfect for busy households or professional use. The included storage box keeps them organized and accessible. If you need a large supply of highly absorbent, lint-free cloths and appreciate convenient storage, this is an excellent value proposition. What people say. The cloths are very absorbent and effective at cleaning surfaces without scratching. They are durable and hold up well after multiple washes, maintaining their cleaning power. The microfiber material is gentle on surfaces, making them suitable for delicate items. Number 1. Full Circle Renew Collection Microfiber Cloths. Introducing the Renew Collection by Full Circle. These all-purpose microfiber cloths are designed for effective cleaning and dusting. They are gentle on surfaces like glass and stainless steel, ensuring a streak-free shine every time. Experience a better way to clean. Each cloth is made from GRS certified recycled plastic, diverting about 3.5 plastic bottles from landfills. Make a positive impact with your cleaning routine. Featuring handy hanging loops and labels, these cloths are easy to store and always ready when you need them. Organization made simple. This set includes 3 versatile cloths, perfect for tackling various cleaning tasks around your home. Get more done with less. Crafted from high-quality microfiber, they are built to last and provide exceptional cleaning performance. Enjoy a durable and effective cleaning solution. What we like. This option stands out for its eco-friendly design, made from recycled plastic bottles. They are gentle on surfaces like glass and stainless steel, and feature handy hanging loops for easy storage. If you're an environmentally conscious consumer looking for effective and convenient cleaning tools, this set is a fantastic choice. What people say. These cloths are highly absorbent and great for cleaning up spills. They are very durable and hold up well after multiple washes. The microfiber material effectively picks up dust and dirt without scratching surfaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.